Okay, I wanted to show another way how you can get your files over to Centares. If you do not want to use the sftp, if you're on a Linux client or a Linux VM, or if you don't want to use the pscp that's included with PuTTY on a Windows client. So that option would be to use FileZilla. And although FTP isn't supported per se anymore, use of a secure FTP environment through secure shell host or SSH is, and we can simply start up FileZilla if you have it installed. If not, you can go out to FileZilla's website and install it onto your PC. And then once it starts up, you can simply put in the host information. And again, this will be centares.mvnu.edu or cs2.mvnu.edu or cs.mvnu.edu. Put in your username, grab your password from somewhere. That makes sense. This should just not your PostgreSQL password, but just your password for the Centares system itself. And then port 22, since this is secure FTP, and you should be able to connect by pressing enter or the quick connect button. And if it works, what you're going to see is your system, your local system on the left side, the remote system stuff on the right side, and let's see here. And then when you want to get files over, you just go to wherever you have stuff on your local system. All right. So I tend to want to keep things in my Dropbox account, which I have a Dropbox client installed for the PC, another helpful thing. So I just go down to where I have stuff located, and I just go into the directory where I'm going to move files back and forth, like data in this case inside the CSC 3032. Like maybe I'm moving PHP information over to my web directory. And then on the right side, you'll see the remote directory / /home / MICROBBELOTH, my user handle. And then you'll be able to move files back and forth either by dragging or dropping, or by right-clicking on a file and saying download, from either side. It's upload from your local PC. It's download from the remote system. You can put files into a queue. You can do all sorts of interesting things that hopefully are somewhat self-explanatory, being a GUI interface. And I had some problems with this at first, but if you are able to, one thing might be helpful is to create a symbolic link to your web directory. The /var /www /classes or class /csc 3032, and then / your username, and just create a link to that, call it whatever you want, right? And then you can just copy files in there, and then if you drop them in here, they're already uploaded to the web server for your particular user directory. And that should help a lot with making things a little bit easier to use. So if I want to, for example, like I could put on there, let's see here, my university test scripts. So I could put that on there, and like my university input, university test, and just say upload. And that would be up there. Now I'm not sure, university test. Your university input goes to the university test. It goes to part 2. So I need to upload that. So I highlight university test part 2, right click, say upload, and bingo, it's there. And I think that'll do it. And I'll upload this video such as it is for you to